Hi guys, so somebody sent me an email a few days ago and told me that he has been on ClickBank for 2 weeks and has not made any money. I was like, damn. In this video I'm going to be telling you exactly the biggest skill that I think you're going to possess if you're actually serious about making money online, right? I started on ClickBank last year. It's about a year, right? And I personally I think that I'm a success, you know. So because a lot of persons has been on this platform for longer than I've been, but the kind of success I've recorded, they have not even come close to it. And this skill I'm going to be talking about is what actually helped me to get to the point where I am today. And if you listen to this video, completely, and and get the juice of this video and apply it into your personal life, it's going to do you good. I started on ClickBank a while ago, at about sometime last year, close to the end of last year, let's say October and November or so. And one thing that actually is very 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 striking to me is the fact that I never believed in it. Trust me, I come on YouTube, I see videos about people making money online, $10,000, $100,000, $50,000, and I'm like, okay, this is just scam, right? That's the mindset that I always had, when before I started this thing out. So when I said let me just try this out, I got a ClickBank account, created it, did my promotion method. I know I just saw people are doing. I just thought about a lot of things. Then I tried everything and put it out there. I forgot about it. Over about 2 months later, I came to my account and I saw $24. That was the first money I made on ClickBank. So somebody contacted me and said that he made is this $70 or $100 or so, and till then he has not made any other money, right? That he's not successful. He's doing this, he's doing that. I'm like, what the hell is this person talking about? So for me it was $24. Yes, 24, $2 and $4. And I guess what, I was excited about it because I think I've been online long enough to understand the fact that whenever you make $1 or $1 from, you can actually make $1,000 from it. There was a time on Fiverr, my goal was $1,000 every month, you know. And whenever I hit that $1,000, that's $2,000 in a whole year. I was like, damn, I did it. I was happy about it. I'm always excited, right? So that drive has to be there if you are serious about making money online. And you have to understand the fact that whenever you make $1, you can make $100,000 from it. Whatever it is that you did to make that $1, what all you need to do is just scale it, right? If I message people on Facebook and they actually bought this from me, now if I messaged 1,000 persons or 100 persons to make $24, it means that if I message 10,000 persons, I will make a lot more money than I did. That's exactly how it works. Even when we run ads on YouTube and Google and stuff, now if we run an ad targeting 100,000 persons, and you have 100,000 clicks, and that 100,000 clicks you got 100 sales from it. It means that if you actually do 200,000 clicks, you're going to get about 200 clicks from it and 200 sales, right? That's exactly how it works. So if this thing works and you make $1 from it, all you need to do to make more money is to just scale it. That's the point I'm trying to make. So you have to understand that whatever you did to make $1 from it, you can make $100 from it. All you need to do is just scale it. That is something that you need to understand. Now, for the guy that was telling me that he made $60 or so, in about 2 weeks, and not made anything else again. What did you do to make that $60? That's the first question. Now, if you're able to pinpoint where that sale actually came from, then you can actually make it happen again and again and again and again, right? So tracking is important. That is why when people are copying their code from a ClickBank, I always advise it, put a tracker on it. When you are shortening your code, right? If you have the same affiliate link and you're using Bitly, bit.ly, just I've taught in my previous video, to shorten your links, right? So if you are promoting with Facebook, now have a separate shortened link for Facebook, have another one for YouTube, have another one for Twitter, have another one for LinkedIn, whatever it is that you're using, Pinterest and all, have different codes so that it will be easy for you to track which one is getting more clicks, right? And more clicks, actually more sales. Now, one thing that happens to me, if I wake up in the morning and I saw that a particular product I'm promoting had 1,000 clicks, right? I know that there's a lot of money that's been made, because these are people that are actually active buyers. They are looking to buy these things. That's exactly how it works, right? So it's important for you to pay attention to these things. That is how to win. When you pay attention to these things, understand these things, you are going to win. Now, another skill that I think that you have to actually imbibe inside of you to actually make money online is patience. Patience is a virtue. Patience, it's a virtue. A lot of us don't have the patience to actually sit down and wait things out. We want results today, right? A lot of you people have contacted me and you're asking me how much do I think you should spend on advertising. So you want to make quick money. And the funny thing is that if I tell you to spend $20 or $30, I'll be doing you a disservice because you're going to lose that money. Right? I have done it. Now, I'm going to make a Teespring video on a very good day. If that's a video you want to see, let me know in the comment section. A video on how to make money on Teespring. I'm going to make and tell you my Teespring experience. When I said on Teespring, I spent $10 on advert on Teespring and I didn't make any money. You cannot spend $10. You cannot even use it for testing. So if you're serious about doing paid advertising, man, you have to have money. Right? Maybe when I'm going to be doing a video on paid advertising, I'm going to be showing you guys my Google ads. You will see me loading my account with $1,000, $2,000 just to run advert, just to test things out and find out if this thing is going to work. Right? So Google advertising, you want to target how many persons you want to target. If I want to test something out, I can basically put out $1,000, right? And I know that I'm reaching maybe like 10,000 persons. Right? Then I'll collect the data and test these things out and know what the conversion is like. So when you have a whole lot of people coming to your stuff and they buy, right? You can now say that averagely, this is how well this is doing and this is how bad this is doing. This is why I love free traffic. Free traffic because you don't have to spend any money to start. Now, if you have money, and another thing about me is that I'm not comfortable taking money from somewhere else and investing in a new business. Nope. I like that when that business makes money, like when I make money from ClickBank free traffic, then I can now invest in paid advertising. That is how I operate, and it works for me. When I started out on Fiverr years ago, I made money on Fiverr. Then what I now did after I have made those monies was that I used that money to buy equipment, cameras, lights, everything I was using to do spokesperson videos on Fiverr, and it was amazing. Right? So the business brought the money that was reinvested into the business to make even more money. That's it. Right? And the vulture is a patient bird. That is something that I have always loved about the vulture. Right? When you are killing the meat or the cow or when they're dying, it's circling there in the air, waiting patiently. Right? Waiting patiently. So patience is a virtue. If you're sure about making money online, you have to be patient. It doesn't work today or tomorrow. You just do something, and there are a lot of persons. I say like you, it's like you are in the box. You are in the boxing ring. So a lot of persons are punching, trying to push you down. Trying to rank. Somebody is trying to rank. Somebody is gonna win, right? And the truth of the matter is that the more content you put out there, the more you try, the more you go out there, the more you hustle, the more you do everything, the more chances you have. You cannot come on YouTube right now and say you want to go a YouTube channel. You put out one content or two contents and you relax. I see people that have 400,000 views on a particular video and they have 200 subscribers. Yes, it happens. Right? It's luck, sheer luck. They didn't optimize that video to get subscribers for their channels. So these are some of the things that you look at, you begin to understand. So once that person comes, you will say that my channel is not growing, but this person that have 20,000 views, his channel has almost 100,000 subscribers, right? So when people buy subscribers, that is something I will not ever advise anybody to do. Don't buy subscribers. Grow your channel, right? If you want to build a YouTube channel, grow your channel from scratch. Optimize your content to get subscribers and all. So that is very, very, very important. So I've mentioned a few things. Okay, this is a video that I'm making out of I don't have any scripts, right? So if just the list that I've mentioned, that's going to help you become successful. I mentioned about patience. I mentioned a few other things. Let me know in the comment section. And the person that gets all these things correctly, I'm going to be giving you my course free of charge if you've not gotten it yet, right? I'll go through the comment section. I'll choose the person that actually got it correctly, right? Maybe like, okay, 2 persons, right? And I'm going to be giving you access to my course free of charge, guys. So let me know what you think about the video in the comment section. Let me know the things that I mentioned and the things that you're going to try, and also let me know what your biggest challenge is when it comes to making money online, even on ClickBank, affiliate marketing, freelancing on Fiverr, Upwork, whatever it is that you've tried. Let me know what your challenge is in the comment section, and I will respond to you in real time. Until I see you in my next video, Keep winning, and don't forget that Jada loves you.